Mastering polite requests, your guide to feedback and evaluation. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to be diving into an important aspect of conversational English. Making polite requests using the phrase, "Is it possible?" But what's even more exciting is that this lesson involves peer feedback and evaluation. This means you'll get the chance to improve your English while helping others do the same. Polite requests are a key part of conversational English. This is especially true when you're using phrases like, "Is it possible?" For instance, saying, "Is it possible for you to lend me your pen?" is a respectful and friendly way to ask for something. But it's not just about knowing the phrase. The context, your tone of voice, and the person you're speaking to all play a part in making your request truly polite. Feedback is a crucial part of learning. In this section, we'll learn how to give and receive constructive feedback. Remember, feedback should always be honest, respectful, and helpful. When giving feedback, try to highlight what the person did well, and where they could improve. For example, if a peer makes a request using, "Is it possible?" you might say, "I liked how you used, 'Is it possible?' in your sentence," but try to soften your tone next time for a more polite request. Now, let's put these skills into practice. I want you to pair up and practice making requests using, "Is it possible?" Then, you'll give each other feedback. Remember to use the guidelines we've discussed in the last section. This exercise is not only about improving your use of, "Is it possible?" but also about developing your ability to give and receive feedback effectively. The final step in our journey is self-evaluation and reflection. After receiving feedback, take a moment to reflect on your performance. Think about what you did well and areas you need to improve. Consider the feedback you received and make a plan for how you will incorporate it into your future practice. And that's it for today. Remember, mastering the art of polite requests, giving feedback, and self-reflection are all key components of learning conversational English. Keep practicing, stay open to feedback, and remember to be kind to yourself and others as you learn. See you in the next video.